Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am super excited to review the O.TWO.O Eyeliner Stamp Black Liquid Eyeliner Pen. If you're tired of struggling to get the perfect winged eyeliner look, then you definitely need to try this out. This 2-in-1 double-ended eyeliner stamp is a game changer. It's so easy to use, even for beginners. With one end for stamping and the other with a fine tip for precision, you can create the perfect winged eyeliner every time. And the best part is, it's long-lasting, waterproof, and sweatproof. You can party all night, swim, or sweat, and your eyeliner will stay put. The stamp design is absolutely genius. It helps you to create a quick and natural cat eye look without the struggle and frustration of trying to get both sides to match. Plus, with the elastic nib and double-ended design, you can quickly draw thick black eyeliner and create a personalized eye makeup effect. I love that this eyeliner is not only easy to use, but it's also easy to control the thickness. Whether you prefer a thin or thick line, this eyeliner allows you to draw arbitrarily, giving you the freedom to create the look you desire. And let's talk about the return service. You can return it for any reason within 15 days with free shipping. That's a great deal, especially when it's available in so many countries. So, if you're ready to take your eyeliner game to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the O.TWO.O Eyeliner Stamp Black Liquid Eyeliner Pen. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Just click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tutorials. Let's slay those wings, ladies.